Okay, so we are back with TRP. Okay. "22 it." You better 22 it. "22 it." What? Okay, so I didn't expect the cop to be there, and I'm getting set up, so I said 22 it. And we are in this 18-wheeler. The plan was to steal a fire truck and then call in a stolen fire truck. But I'm kind of liking the color of this 18-wheeler. Because that's a nice blue. But I don't know. I do not know, my lord. That's dead. Yep. Yeah, that'd be stupid to do that. So get closer. Jesus. Okay, we're gonna see where they're at, because they're way over there. Okay, this isn't legit, but there's nobody around. Ooh, can we catch air? We caught air in a 18-wheeler. What? I don't know. That's not how that works. I know. "911. I'm in a big rig. I'm heading towards the docks right now. I got no brakes at all." No. Oh my god! I have no brakes, why are you gonna shoot him? This isn't gonna go well. So shoot the tires. Nope. So point a gun at me. No! Do you think I'm okay? I just hit a sign at like 60. What? Everything. Like, what? No. I only hit one car. I hit one car. Okay, am I free to go? No, I'm good. Okay. Buddha. What? Aw. This is classified as a car.
How can I be of service? No problem. I'll get him off your back.
911. My white Phantom just got stolen from the docks. It was going northbound on El Rancho Boulevard last time I seen it. Shoot, no, that's not, what? No! This thing is fast without a trailer, Jesus. But terrible controls. Listen here, I'm trying. This has, as you kill a cop, a car, a cop. So go for tire shots already. That's... What is with that car? They're falling off the bridge! It fell off the bridge. I just drifted that. No. 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 Jesus. Why would I drive off a cliff? I don't remember where this road goes, so I'm following it. You're approved? For what? Never pay for house repairs again. I don't own a house. I just got an email that says don't ever pay for house repairs again. I don't own a house. You're a scam. I know. Look where I work. I know. No turning. Well, after this I got one more scenario and then we can switch. Yeah. I also like Civ episodes, so you know. I couldn't choose. I was gonna go left and then I said no. Yes. I tried. I was gonna go to the city, but then I thought about it. It won't turn. It's a guardrail. Good. I'm trying. I'm trying. This isn't legit, but you know, I'm trying. I'm trying. That's another cliff. Dead. For what? Okay. Okay. What did I do? Hey, I tried. Every episode lately I'm dying.